Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel has stopped working here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this small window called Run. Here, please type appwiz.cpl. Again, please type appwiz.cpl and then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you click on it, you'll be redirected here with this window called Programs and Features. Here you need to select the Microsoft Office that you have. You could go with Microsoft Office 365 if you in your case you have such. You can also go with Microsoft Office Professional Plus like mine if you have this. Okay, whatever Microsoft Office you would have, just have to click on it, okay? And here you need to go with changed. The moment you click on change, you need to click on yes to proceed. And now it is setting up the necessary files that you need. Here it will opt you to choose four options, which are add or removed features, repair, removed, enter a product key. So since our Microsoft Excel has stopped working or getting an error with, you go with repair and then click on continue. So it is now repairing Microsoft Office Professional Plus or whatever Microsoft Office that you have the moment you click on repair. Just have to wait until the repairing will be done. Okay? So this will take some time. I bet that you need to put a lot of patience with this since it will take some time. It would depend on your machine. Okay? So once the repairing will be done, okay? So you need to restart your computer. Okay, so I will not go farther because my Microsoft Excel is completely working fine. So in your case, if it doesn't, then you need to proceed and wait until the repairing will be done. Okay, so once you are done, just have to do, click this power button and then go with restart. And once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.